Second year BMS, Dravya Guna, detailed drug, paper 2. Second one is Aragvada. Family is Leguminosae family. Latin name is Cassia fistula. And the Paryaya is Raja Ruksha, Shampaka, Krutamala, Chaturangala, Dirghafala, Swarna Bhushana. So the important Paryaya of this is that is Chaturangula. The fruits will be at 4 inches, so it is called Chaturangula. And another one is Dirghafala. The flower inflorescence are long. Another is Swarna Bhushana, that the flowers will be like gold, that is the yellow color. And another one is Rajaruksha. So these are the main important one, and English name is Pergignet, and morphology it is a Ruksha. And chemical composition, sugar, pectin, glutatine will be present. And Guna, Guru, Mrudu, Snigdha Guna will be present. Rasa will be Madhura Vipaka. Due to Madhura only, there will be a Guru Guna, and Guru, Mrudu, and Snigdha will be also. And Vipaka is Madhura Vipaka, and Virya, Shita Virya will be there. And that is Madhura Vipaka. We can easily say that there is a Shita Vipaka. And Amaika Prayoga, Jvara, Rudroga, Raktapitta, Udavarta, Vibandha, Kushta. So Kushta you can remember, Kushta, Jvara, Rudroga, Raktapitta. That you can remember mainly. And Prayojanga, that is Pala Majja is used. And dose is 5 to 10 gram. And Vishishta Yoga, that is Aragvadadi, Taila, Saleha, Arishta can be seen. So summary of Aragvada, that is Madhura Vipaka, Madhura Rasa, and Shita Virya will be there, and Guna, Guru, Mrudu, Snigdha is there, and Paryaya, that is, we should remember the flower and fruits, that is Chaturangula, Swarna Bhushana, and Dirghafala, and Raja Ruksha. And Prayojanga is Phala Majja, and dose will be 5 to 10 gram. Vishishta Taila Leha, and that is Arishta is there. This completes the Aragvada.